Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. To, in today's video, we will see how to use the if function. As you might already know, the if function works similarly to the if-else statement we use in programming language. In Google Sheets, we use the if function to make decisions based on certain conditions. Here we have a task list with checkbox, and we want to update the status of each task based on whether the checkbox is checked or not. If the checkbox is checked, the status should be completed, and if it is unchecked, the status should be pending. Here how we do it: type is equal to and start with if. Now select the checkbox cells, and if it equals true, equal to true, the status should be completed. If it equals false, the status should be pending. Press the enter and then copy and paste this formula down the column. As you can see, the status is pending because the checkbox is not checked. The moment I check the box, the status changed to completed. If unchecked box, status goes back in pending. So why did I write true in the formula? When you check the checkbox, its value becomes true, and when it's unchecked, its value becomes false. If the value is true, the status will be completed, and if it's false, the status will be pending. You can see how it works. Checking in the box changes the status to completed, and uncheck it change the status in pending. I hope this video helped you understand how to use the if functions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.